Welcome to App of the Week. Today I'm going to show you a simple video tool that you can use with your students where they can build a video through pictures that they have on their iPad. And the tool that we're going to use is Spark Video. This is basically Adobe Spark. If you've ever gone to their website, adobe.spark.com, it is the same thing, but they have an app for it that we can use here on our iPad, and we're going to use this here. So this is a nice option for students to create photo story style videos directly from their mobile device. So we're going to start here by clicking on the Spark Video app. And when you open up the Spark Video app, you'll see that you can log in with your Google account, which is nice. It's one less login that our students have to remember. They can log in using their district Google account. So after you have logged in, you'll see two options down at the bottom: inspirations, and you'll see my videos. Inspirations, you'll see some different options of things that people have done with the Adobe Spark Video, and you'll be able to get some ideas from what you've seen here in this section. You also see this My Video section where you can see all the videos that you have done previously. So these are all the Adobe Spark videos that I have done under my account. So if I wanted to create a brand new one, I would click that red button in the middle with the plus sign in it, and then that would allow me to build a brand new one from scratch. So it would ask me to give this video a title, and then I can select a template. Now the key thing to remember about the template is that all the features are available regardless of the template. The template just provides you some ideas in terms of what to put in each slide. So just keep that in mind as you're doing this. I'm actually going to go back and I'm going to begin editing one of the videos that I've already done. So this is one that I've already started with. And when you initially get started, it'll take you through a little tutorial down there. So you can follow the tutorial, but mine's not going to show for me because I've already done one. So just don't worry about the tutorial. It's not a bad thing to go through as you initially get started with it. So when you open up this, you'll have slides down here at the bottom. I've already have some slides created in mine already, so don't be alarmed by that. But you'll see there's where the slides are, and you'll see what I was talking about before. When you're creating one from scratch, it'll give you little suggestions in terms of what you might want to put in that particular slide. So when you click on a slide, you'll see the default will go to just a square box here where you can enter in whatever you want. So when I click in this square box, it gives me three options to put an icon, a photo, or text in here. I can do a search for an icon, so I can type in a key term that I'm just going to type in beach, and then it'll give me an icon related to the beach, and I could select that and I could use that in this slide. Or I could select a photo where I could either hit find photo and just do a search for a photo. I can I can use this Google option over here and search for a photo that I have in my Google Drive. I can select on my iPad and then find a video or a image that I have on my iPad, or I could take a picture. So you have lots of options up here. Find video, and I'm going to type in term. This particular video I'm doing here is related to how I spent my summer. So I'm going to just go along with that theme, and I'm going to use this delicious hamburger. This is just beautiful, and I'm going to include that for my slide. Also note, in addition to the video, the photo, I can also add text. So if I click that A to add text, I can just type in whatever I want, and depending on how much text goes in that box, the size of the text will automatically adjust. So I'm just going to stick here with this photo of this delicious food, this delicious hamburger here, and leave that there. And now that's my first slide. You'll see I have other slides here. Here's a slide where I use an icon. Here's another slide where I use an image. Here's a slide where I use text. And then you have additional other ones that I have down here. Now you'll see that I've mostly been using slides where I just have one box that I could put in one thing, either one icon, one photo, one box of text. They do have other layouts where you could do more. So up at the top here, you'll see where it says layout, themes, and music. I can choose layout, and it gives me different layouts. Now I've just been using the first one, this where it says one thing. You can use other ones where you have two boxes, where now I can insert two things in there. Or you can have a box with and then a caption underneath it. So you have different options on here. I'll show you a few at the bottom that I have on here. Here's a one where I have two things, where I have two boxes. So I have text, and then I have an image down here. And then next to that I have an icon, and then I have a caption underneath it. So these are just some of the different layouts that are available. So you can pick and choose which one that you want, and then begin adding all the items that you want. I can also choose different themes. I'm using the playful theme, but if I wanted to pick a different theme, I could certainly do that. I could go and click a different theme and include that in there, and now I have that new theme as a part of my video now instead. So you can pick which ones that you want and go with that one. And then down here, oh sorry, I hit the wrong button. Of course I have music here, so I can choose what music that I want. I can pick which different ones that I want. They have all different categories and different instrumentals that are included in here that I can pick, and that the music, keep in mind, plays throughout the whole video. So when you finalize it, that's what's going to play. So you can pick that whichever one that you want. If you have songs on your iPad, you can do that as well. So it gives you lots of options for that. Scrolling down here to the bottom, you can see down here, here's where all my slides are. If I wanted to add additional slides, I can hit this plus sign here to do that. Or if I wanted to just get a preview of this, I can hit that play button to play it. But the other thing that you can do is you get to narrate all of your slides as well. Not only are you going to put all these images and text in here, you can actually talk into your slide, which adds some additional functionality, some more fun that your students can have with this. And to make the recording work, you have to press and hold the microphone button. It's not something that you tap and then talk, and tap it again when you want to stop recording. You have to hold it the whole time while you're recording. So just to do a practice one, I'm going to do something so you can see what it looks like. So I'm going to press and hold the microphone. Now I'm going talking about this delicious hamburger that I had, and the mini hamburgers I had over the summer. I ate a lot of great food and really enjoyed all the great eating that I was able to do while cooking out on the grill over the summer. So you see the squiggly line appears there, showing me it was 14 seconds long. I know I picked up my voice because the squiggly line is there. You also notice that after 10 seconds, it gives you that keep it short note, giving you a reminder that you're doing this per slide. So if I want to add my voice over to another slide, I would go to the next slide to do that. So it's just reminding you, keep this short. Don't talk too much for each slide. So you can continue to do that for all your slides, adding all of your voiceovers for that. So once you have your whole video set, all your slides, all your images, your music, your themes, the whole nine, you can now save your video. So up at the top right hand corner, we're going to hit this red download button up at the top here. Now it gives me the opportunity to share my video. I can change the title of it if I wanted to, make the edits there. You have to choose a category. Make sure you select the category, and then you have to select how you want to share it. I'm going to download mine to my camera roll, but you have other options. You can put it as a link on your clipboard, so if you wanted to use it in that way, that is certainly an option. But once you selected how you wanted it to be shared, go ahead and hit the save button, and now your video is going to be shared. So now that my video has been successfully shared with my camera roll, I can now go there to find my video. I'm going to go to my camera roll and search for my video, and there it is. Now I can click on that and play it, and now I can listen to and watch my video. So that is Adobe Spark Video that you can use with your students. A very simple and fun way to develop videos with your students.